I don't wanna live my life like an Instagram post. A lot of people spending hours taking time editing.
Hello everyone, welcome to or welcome back to my channel. My name is Justine and this is Curls and Cocktails, and today we'll be making a cocktail. As you can see, we're outside. It's a very nice day today, so I wanted to do it outside. So the cocktail we're making today is a blueberry cucumber gimlet. So I was thinking it's starting to become very nice outside. I think it's like 70 degrees today, and I love cucumber drinks. I went on a cruise, a couple of cruises. They were all Carnival cruise, but there's this one bar on Carnival cruise, the Alchemy bar, that has a cucumber sunrise, and it's so good. And ever since then, I love cucumbers in my drinks. So this is a cucumber blueberry gimlet, very refreshing, very light for the warmer months. So you'll need like a fourth of a full-size cucumber if you're using mini cucumbers, a mini cucumber peeled and then chopped up, some blueberries, some mint, we have lime juice, not 1 but 2 ounces of gin, and simple syrup, and then ice. Ignore this cup, that was part of prep and it shouldn't have been there. So into our cup we are going to pour our blueberries and cucumbers, and then some mint. This is mint I bought from the grocery store and not from the farmer's market where I should have purchased it from. So we're going to put a few leaves. If you hear people talking, it's my parents, because when I ask them to not talk, they still talk. Because I'm near the kitchen and my mother's making dinner. So you have your cucumbers, your blueberries, and your mint, and you're gonna muddle. Just squish it all up. This, I've never had this. Like I said, I wanted to try it because I like the cucumber sunrise on the boat. However, maybe I should make a disclaimer, because I know I've been making a couple of whole channel's name is Curls and Cocktails. I've been making a couple of cocktails, and don't get it twisted, I am not a professional. This is literally me just trying out different cocktails that I think sound good or that I already drink, that I want to know how to make for fun, for you guys to watch, so that you can watch it as well and find something maybe you like to make or that you want to try out. So we muddled that. Into there we pour the rest of our juices. Lime juice, gin, and simple syrup. I'm going to give it a little stir. Even though I'm going to shake it, I'm going to give it a little stir to make sure everything's good. Alright. And then we add our ice. We added our ice. We shake. Until it's very cold. And we open. And we're going to strain it because we don't want any of this in it. I'm going to actually strain it into... We're going to strain it into here because it says double strain. Is it going to fit? I'll let it strain a little faster. If I had a proper strainer, it would strain faster, but this is like a... Actually, I don't know what this would be used for. Maybe I should have done it this way the whole time. That's good. Nicely strained. Dump that back in there. Cool. And we strain again. So then it's just a pretty pink or blue, because it's blueberry. There must be a lot of pulp because this is not going through. Should just be straining, right? Maybe my holes are too small. I don't know. Give it a little mix. As I said, not a professional, nowhere near a professional, not even an amateur. Just a girl here who likes to drink cocktails and do her curly hair. That's all I am. That is all I'll ever be. I aspire to be nothing more, nothing less. Alright, is this good? I don't know. I'm trying to get as much as I can because I like the cocktails. I love the cocktails. So you're not gonna cheat me on this flavor. All right. This is why they have you strain, because this would have been really pulpy if otherwise. All right, that's good. That's good. That's gonna fall. Definitely gonna fall. Absolutely gonna fall. Okay. All right. First of all, how pretty is this beverage? How pretty is this beverage? I'm gonna pose for you all. Imagine me. Imagine me and you. Sitting at our beach house that I don't have. Drinking this beverage while the sun sets. Midsummer. Amazing. Freaking amazing. This might be a new go-to because, I take that back. Might not, because it involves a lot of straining, but this is going to be a party trick I pop out in the summer. You get some cucumbers, refreshing, light, healthy, basically water. You mix that with some blueberries, refreshing, light, healthy, fruit, antioxidants, I think. You get some ice. We have that. You got some gin. I always got alcohol on deck. You get some mint, also refreshing. These are all things that you can put into water and make it taste good, or you can mix it with alcohol and make it taste better. Absolutely amazing. Cheers. Thank you for viewing. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for coming here today. I hope you guys have a lovely Thursday. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any other suggestions of drinks that you want me to make, that I should try, that you love, that maybe I wouldn't know about, or that you've tried somewhere else really fancy. Like I said, I tried the tequila sunrise on a cruise. I'm gonna actually try to make a tequila sunrise. I know what a tequila sunrise is. I tried a cucumber sunrise on a cruise. I'm gonna actually look up that recipe and try to make a cucumber sunrise, because it was so good, guys. Like, I wish if you have not had it before, once cruises open back up again, go on a Carnival cruise. You go to the Alchemy Bar. It is on both cruises, all 3 Carnival cruises I went on. It was by like the club. So there's the club, Alchemy Bar, and then like the piano bar type thing, but they don't sell alcohol there, just like piano room. So you go to the Alchemy Bar, it's only on that menu. You get the cucumber sunrise. You will not regret it. You will not regret it. You will not regret it. But until we can go on cruises, you make this. You also will not regret it. It's so good, so refreshing, so light. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, thank you so much for watching. Have a great Thursday, and I'll see you here next Thursday.